Hi and welcome back. Rainey with my Dreamboat project. I'm so happy to be back at work, being able to bring you videos all over again. And for those of you that stuck with me, I want to thank you and say welcome back. And just so I know who you are, I hope you could leave me a comment below saying, "Hi Rainey, it's me. I'm back here to watch you," because I'd really like to see a lot of my old friends here. And for those of you that didn't see me before, I look forward to calling you a new friend really soon. So glad to be back. I am finally here because I am starting to build my brand new Dreamboat. In fact, here it is. And I'm going to tell you about it in a minute. But what I want to do is over the next year, 2 years, 3 years, hopefully not that long, but what I want to do is put together a Dreamboat. And for those of you that know me, you know what I want to do with it. I'm going to use it over here on the East Coast. I'm about 5 miles away from the coast in southern Maine. That's right, southern Maine. We're kind of between Kennebunk and Old Orchard. I guess you could say Kennebunk and Portland, right down the middle. That's about where we are situated to the ocean, about 5 miles away. And I want to take this boat to travel up and down the East Coast and to go on the Great Loop. And the Great Loop for us means to go up around Nova Scotia, down the St. Lawrence Seaway, through Montreal, to the Great Lakes, down the Mississippi, going through New Orleans, through the Gulf of Mexico, around Florida, all those little islands over there, there's a whole mess of them, and coming back up. So we know it's going to be like a year and a half, maybe 2 year, and the way I drive it, maybe even 3 year trip. So we're going to be dropping everything and doing that because that's my Dreamboat project, and my dream is to do all that traveling and to see the world from the water, or see this part of the world from the water. And I hope you can join us for that. But first, I got to build my new house. What is it going to be? It's going to be a Chesapeake Bay dead rise. Okay, and the measurements are roughly going to be 11 foot by about 32 foot long with about a 2-foot swim deck. It's going to be an outboard, and it's going to be a complete cabin boat with a staircase going up, couple doors on either side, and even a fly bridge. If I'm going to be living on it, I want to enjoy it. So it's quite a project we got here, and I really look forward to working with you folks. Hope you can help me along the way because I'm going to have a lot of questions. This boat is going to be greatly modified. In fact, not only are we lengthening it 15%, probably even a little more, we're widening it. So the whole boat is going to be increased. Matter of fact, I just finished doing all my measurements today, and my book is over there. You can see that notepad. Raluca and I went shopping today, and I stayed in the parking lot in the car and did all my measurements. So I get the measurements for, I think, about 12 of the 15 bulkheads. So I just did the first one. This is bulkhead number 6. I just finished drawing it, and you can see, matter of fact, the length of the paper, as you can see here, is going to be the width of the boat. So you can see it's going to be a good sized little project. And of course, this is my workshop. Let me give you a tour of it, okay? I am against this wall here. It's not really big, okay? It's only about maybe 9 feet wide. How am I going to build that here? The whole thing's about 9 feet wide, but and there's the front door. Ooh, I probably slanted you there. But what we're going to do is we're going to get all the parts together. Right now it's March. There's still a lot of snow out there. It's cold out there. But I'm hoping to have all the bulkheads and the frame and everything built and ready to go outside hopefully by the end of April. I want to put the whole frame together, and I'm going to see, my goal is to get the entire hull and everything done by the end of this year. So maybe I could even flip it and cover it and start building the inside, all the furniture and all the fixings inside the garage for next year. So I'm shooting at 2 years, but let's see how the weather holds out and all the other things. Okay, so there's a lot that's going to be happening. So anyways, I'm thankful for having you here. It's going to be a Chesapeake dead rise. It's going to be, we're only going to be using it at displacement speeds because it's going to be a long trip. So they're going to be probably twin motors, maybe anywhere from, I don't know, 80 to 80, 90 horsepower right over there, whatever we end up getting. So that's what I have. And like I said, give us a click below. Let me know who you are, where you're from, and if you've been watching me before, I'd like to know that too. And with that, happy sailing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye now.